There's just something about stepping into a luxurious hotel room that makes all your daily stress instantly disappear. While it's nice to get away and treat yourself for a few days, it's even better if you can recreate the experience under your own roof. For those who want to design a master bedroom that feels like a deluxe hotel suite, here are several tips for achieving the same level of luxury at home. Hi, I'm Mark Renner from Berkshire Hathaway Ambassador Real Estate. I'm known as Mr. Omaha. That's my logo in the upper corner of your screen. And I've been voted the outstanding agent in Omaha twice. It's always great to get out of town and to spend a few days in a luxury hotel room. But these days with COVID, we're traveling less and staying in hotel rooms less. So let's talk today about how to recreate that experience in your own home, in your own master bedroom. How to create a master bedroom feel like a hotel suite. First, design with intent. From the window treatments to your throw pillows, there should be a sense of cohesion that's readily apparent upon entering the bedroom. Before you start picking out furnishings, it helps to have a clear vision of the aesthetic you're going for and how you'll bring it all together. This ensures that the design has a sense of balance and harmony from the top to the bottom. Optimize the sleep experience. Luxury hotels know a thing or two about creating the ideal sleep environment, but you shouldn't have to leave your house just to feel refreshed. Blackout shades, goose down pillows, a heavenly mattress, and a silky smooth set of sheets are a few easy upgrades that will go a long way in any bedroom. The sitting area. Of course, a hotel room is designed for more than just sleeping. It's convenient to have an intimate sitting area where you can read or talk with your significant other. You may even want to add a small wet bar or coffee station where you can prepare beverages and enjoy them from the comfort of your bedroom. And a sumptuous bathroom. A well-appointed bathroom is essential if you want to feel like you are truly being pampered. Nothing beats having a soaking tub and rain shower, as well as his and her vanities for your daily routines. It's also nice to equip your bathroom with hotel quality towels, robes, and bath mats to feel like the space has been thoughtfully designed to ensure the utmost comfort. Thank you for watching my video. If you are thinking of selling your home, please give me a call. But also, I want you to get my special report, Squeezing Every Last Dollar from Your Home Sale, or How to Maximize Your Return When You Sell Your Home. The secret to making top dollar when you sell your home isn't really a secret at all. I've been revealing it to my clients for years. But because it involves a lot of discipline and elbow grease, many people decide to cut corners. And that's when the price you could command begins to drop. Unless your home is in mint condition, there's probably a long list of repairs or remodeling. Ask yourself, are they projects that really need to be done? My report will show you how even minor improvements substantially improve the value and marketability of your home. But planning is everything. Plan first, then do. Break down your list into exterior and interior. Whether you do the work yourself or have it done, the key lies in doing it well. If that means hiring a professional job, do it. A poorly done job can do you more harm than good. But my tips that you'll get in this extraordinary special report will fall into the following categories. Catch them at the curb, paint, landscaping, the driveway, deck and patios, the garage, minor details, and minimum standards that you need to meet. To get this special report, go to my website at www.markrenner.com and click on this icon that you see below Special Buyer and Seller Reports. There you will find this and other special reports. I can email them to you because I have them in a digital format, or I can mail them to you. Or just give me a phone call at 402-690-1687, or email me at mark@markrenner.com. Thank you very much for watching today. Have a safe day. Be safe.